Hello everyone. Let us see question number 38C. Write the function of the testes in the human male reproductive system. Here, human male reproductive system contains many parts like testis, then vas deferens, and uh, erectile tissue, penis, urethra. These are the different parts. Prostate gland, right? Now, they are asking the function of testes in human male reproductive system. So, testes regulate the formation of sperms. They regulate the formation of sperms. Sperms are nothing but these are male germ cells, alva sperms. And testes also helpful in secretion of testosterone hormone. Testes secrete testosterone hormone. Then what is testosterone hormone? Why it is needed ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ this testosterone hormone which triggers the development of male like facial and body hair growth ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ increased muscle mass ಇರಬಹುದು or this deepening of voice. What are the secondary sexual characteristics ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ that observed in between the year of 11 to 19 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಏಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡುಬರೋ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಸೆಕ್ಷುವಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಮೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ that is due to this testosterone hormone, and that testosterone hormone is produced by testes. So write the function of testes in the human male reproductive system ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ testes regulate the formation of sperms where sperm production require temperature less than body temperature. Therefore, this testes present that is abdominal cavity ಇಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ testes. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ sperm production ಗೆ ಬಾಡಿ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಬೇಕು. ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟೆಸ್ಟಸ್ secrete testosterone ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. These are the two functions of testes in the human male reproductive system. Thank you.